a book. It's My Little Word Books, especially for toddlers who are learning how to read. My Little Word Book. Your body: eye, teeth, mouth, foot, toe, stomach, chest, arm, head, fingers, hand, back, leg, hair, neck, nose, boy, girl, ears, man, woman, tongue. Okay, guys, the next page. Now I'm going to read it to you. Talk, walk, hug, kiss, wave, laugh, cry, run, sing. And these are exercises. Bend, dance along, jump, balance, stretch, do a handstick, curl up, small kick. Clothes we wear: sneakers, shirt, t-shirt and pants, coat, shoes, socks, sleep shoe, sweater shirt, pajamas, gloves, jeans, shorts, hat and scarf, underpants, rain boots, dress, swimming suits. In the home: television, clock, sofa, bowl, bat, chest of drawers, high chair, table and chairs, potty, towel, crib, cup, compare, bubble duck, teddy bear, sailboat, building blocks, reading a book, jigsaw, boat, pencils, stacking wings, telephone, doll, ball, wooden train, rattle, drum. And now this page is finished. Now it's food and drink: pizza, milk, cookies, pasta, cupcakes, cheese, sandwich, candies. Fruit and vegetables: peas, grapes, potato, broccoli, apple, raspberries, bananas, strawberries, orange, lemon, carrot, pineapples, and peppers. Now in the yard: tree, bicycle, plant, slide, butterfly, fence, water can, leaf, frog. Pretty flowers: tulip, daisy, daffodil, cornflower, rose, sunflower, lavender, lily. Things that go: car, dump truck, scooter, train, boat, tractor, truck, motorcycle, digger, fire truck, bicycle, helicopter, bus, aeroplane. Goat, horse, goose, pig, cow, turkey, sheep, chicken. Babies on the farm: lambs, calf, piglet, foal, chicken, ducklings. Pets we love: parakeet, fish, puppy, kitten, cat, rabbit, dog, guinea pig, koala, flamingos, mako, eagle, toucan, penguin. Wild animals: zebra, chimpanzee, giraffe, elephant, fox, dolphin, camel, rhinoceros, bear, squirrel, snake, panda, lion, lizard, tiger. Our world: sky, moon and stars, sun, house, city, shop, park, school, street, jungle, lake, farmland, mountains, hills, desert, forest, beach, river. Colors: red raspberries, blue fish, yellow lemon, green leaf, orange pumpkin, brown pony, pink piglets, purple flower, black and white dog. Shapes: circle, diamond, rectangle, triangle, square, crescent, heart, star, oval. For watching this video, subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Bye.